What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today I got a red day for you. Check it out. All right, guys. So today I was scattered. I was as scattered as the spy. Look at this. Look at this. Can I get this chart? Thank you. Look at this. No direction here at the open. Then we get a huge dump candle, okay? Right? This is before Powell and Munchin testified at 10 a.m. Well, started at 10 a.m. All right, so nothing, dump candle. Then we come right back, break over, go green, okay? Then we trek up, boom, 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 boom. Doji, dump candle again, okay? Trade sideways, kind of like a bear flag formation. Dump candle, okay? You would think here, at most, you'd get a bounce, then a fade back down to test the lower day. Nope. Let's continue going upward, see, and test this 295.30 area. So this is how I felt today in my trading. And I guess it has to do because of, well, that's how the market was, undecisive. And, it was just not a good morning for me in that sense. I was towards the max loss area of the day for me. I was able to cut that down dramatically. So I'm sitting on a red day that doesn't bother me, in other words, at this point. And we're going to go over it, okay? We're going to go over it. But before we do, even though I'm not miserably sad, it'd help out if you guys smash the like button, guys. If if this video gets a bunch of likes, let's say if we can get this video to 100 likes, I'm gonna come up with something. Like, I'm gonna come up with some sort of free giveaway or something like that to do for you guys. What is this? Today's the 19th, by the end of the month. So if we can get 100 likes on this video today, we're gonna do something. I don't know what. Don't ask me, because I'm just coming up with this. This is not like pre-thought. I'm just coming up with this in the moment. So 100 likes on the video. If the video gets 100 likes, I'm gonna do something. I don't know what. I'm gonna think about it, and I'll get it to you guys, and we'll do like a little free channel giveaway or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But first things first, 100 likes on the video. You can do it. I know you can, and this way everybody wins. Also, remember to smash the subscribe button if you're new around here, and make sure to check out the links in the description section below or the comment section below for Webull. Webull, you download the app, you fund the account with $100, you get a free stock. The stock could be valued between $12 and $1,400. You also have free trade down there that when you download the app, open an account, no need to fund it, and you get one free stock. It's a win-win. So that's 2 free stocks there. Pretty decent values. If you don't want to keep them, you sell them, go out to lunch, like I always say. So make sure you take advantage of that, guys. Now, first things first. Today, PIXY was insane. This PIXY went from $6.30 some odd cents all the way up here to 15.50 land. 15.56 was actually the high of the day. I was tempted in trading it. Okay, so we opened up and pushed. We got halted right here at 12.50 area. I was tempted on this bounce right here. When it came down to 12.50, I was about to buy it there. And I wish I would have, because it made a nice bounce. On this second bounce attempt, I was, considering it, and I recorded it. I'm going to show you. But I took back. I took a step back, and I was like, no, this is looking a little heavy. I'm not going to buy it here. Okay. Then we finally pulled it in, made a new low. Okay, I went about my day, started looking at BA. I think I traded BA during this time. I think I did. Then we broke over VWAP, and right here on this red candle, this red doji looking candle right here, I thought about buying it right there. I thought about buying it right there, like about $12.80, $13, and giving it to like $12. Okay, giving it down here to $12, so where's 90 MA's at. But I didn't, because I just wasn't comfortable. Even with 100, 200 shares, I didn't feel comfortable because I really wanted to test this $12 area right here and show me if this 90 MA was going to be support like it was, here and here. That's what I would have preferred. It would have given me a better entry. So I didn't trade it. But it would have been a nice trade because we went right up to make a new high, 12.50. Sure, we took it all back, but I would have made money on that trade. because I would have been in, let's say at 13 bucks, and I would have sold some at 14.50, let's say, held on to the rest and sold some right over 15. It would have been a real nice trade with a couple hundred shares. That's all you needed. You know, a couple hundred shares, about a $2 move. You're talking about 400 bucks. It would have been a $300, $400 winner all day long with about a 50-cent risk, maybe a dollar risk. You would have made like about $2. You were risking about $1 to make about $2 and change. Okay, so would have been a nice trade. However, I really wanted to see that 9 EMA, get pulled into one more time. Just one more time. Give me boom, tap, get back over VWAP with increase in volume like this volume bar right here, and let's go. But I didn't do it, so no trades for me on it. Okay, then here's where I got chopped up. Look at this. Just fell out of bed. Like Boeing just bloop, fell out of bed. I really would have wanted to have gotten short on one of these attempted bounces, but I wanted them to be a little bit stronger into at least VWAP. But nope. I think I got short on some here. Up here. And I added. And I didn't take profit. I thought we were going to, get down a little bit lower, and I was getting ready to take profits. But no dice, so I stopped out. Then I got short somewhere in here, I believe, right in here. And added, thinking, okay, we're going to go back down to test lower day, take some off there, hold on to the rest for the new extension lower. Nope, bounced back up, broke through VWAP, volume increased. You would think, okay, maybe this is a long because at the same time, the SPY, that's when the SPY did this. That's exactly when the SPY did this. And the SPY starts to rip, and Boeing, very lazy attempt. I did get long in here and made a little bit of money. And then, boop. It's like, what? What is happening? And then this choppiness is what chopped me up today. At one point, I was down like a little bit over $300. Okay, and I made back a good chunk there, and I made back a good chunk here on this rejection here, and I don't even know what video I have recorded there. I'm gonna grab them. We're gonna see, and I'm only down 187 bucks, 180 bucks on the day. That's perfectly fine. I can live with that. No problem, right? No problem. That's just one good trade. That's one good trade away from just wiping that loss out. So I don't care. It's not a big deal, right? As long as I learned something. And what did I learn? That when you expect the market to be choppy, and I expected it to be choppy this morning, either go trade small caps, like I was looking at PIXY, or sit on your hands. Sit on your hands. You don't got to trade every day. Simple as that. One doesn't have to trade every day. So that's what happened to me. Now, let's go ahead and grab, I don't even know what I have going on here. Let's see. It's just one of them. So here I add as we're going lower, I think. Yeah, see there. Instead of taking profit, and then we get the bounce, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to cut this because we're probably going to go test VWAP, and that's exactly what we did almost, right? Yeah, look, boom. So it was like, that's, forget it, that's a loss right there, just take it. Then this is my big loss. Okay, so I'm in calls here, and I have 10 calls. And we have volume increasing, okay? This is the same time that the SPY is doing this, okay? This is the same action right here, okay? Very same action. So I'm thinking we're going to go. We're going to go, and we should at least come up here to test like this 130, 134.50 break, and at least go to 135. That was my thought process. We went all the way to 134. Excuse me. Okay, everything's visible there. Boom. Okay. So I have 10 contracts there, a little bit more than I normally would. I probably would have had typically. This is when I started getting in my head. This is what happened here. Because normally I would have bought, 6, 7, maybe 8 contracts here, maybe. But I went to the higher end of my risk tolerance here because I was already starting to get in my head. So I'm in 10 contracts here. I immediately sell 5 though because I'm managing risk. Sell 5 right there. Boom, done. And now I'm looking to see if we're going to get that push. I'm in these from 365 and we're going off at 395. And I'm looking for the big extension. I'm like, I think I can pull $1 out of these. But no dice. No dice. Right there, sell them at break even. And then one more trade here. And the same trade. Okay, same action. I pull out the same thing, just I think I only keep 5. No, I add 10 there when we break 134.50 because I'm thinking now we're going to get it going because SPY was ripping. But the volume was kind of weakish. I sell 5 immediately, keep 5 there, sell them at break even, same thing again. And those 2 scalps, you know, really kind of brought me back to a normal loss on the day, let's say, right? And now look at BA. Now look at BA. This is hilarious, guys. This is so choppy. So, and look at this 5. Look at this 5. So that's it, guys. That's it for me. You know, it's a disappointing day, but at least I managed my risk, made back a huge chunk of my loss on the day, and I'm just sit tight. Tomorrow's another day. You know, no worries about that. Remember to smash the like button for me. Let me know how you did. Comment in the comment section below. Remember, when we get to the 100 likes on this video, if we get to 100 likes on this video between today and tomorrow, let's say, we're going to go ahead and do that free giveaway. What is it? I don't know yet. Maybe we'll see towards the end of the month. Anyways, guys, hope you're having a great day, and I'll catch you on the next one.